In previous videos, we've talked about the nucleus controlling the activities of the cell, and also how it's where all the genetic material is contained. Well, this time we're going to look at what the genetic material actually is, and it's basically broken up into pieces called chromosomes. So a nucleus, the nucleus of a cell contains chromosomes. So, and that's your genetic material. Now, I would hope that by now you would know that the chromosomes are made of DNA. Now, you don't need to know the full name of this, but I think it's useful because it helps you understand what it is. It's called deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, now, and that's quite interesting because the D and the A, N and the A, let me just change this. You've got your D, your N, deoxyribonucleic acid, and that's where the name DNA comes from. Okay, so that's quite simple, really, isn't it? But then we need to think about, we call it genetic material. Okay, so it's made of DNA, and that's broken down into things we called each chromosome contains a large number of genes. And that's important because you need to know that, that's important when we come to look at reproduction and variation and things like that, because it's the way the genes interact dictates what you're going to look like, or partly what you're going to look like, or what any animal's going to look like, or plant, or whatever, any living organism. So that's the important bit. And the final thing you need to know about chromosomes for this bit is that they normally come in pairs. In multicellular organisms, they normally come in pairs. So in body cells, the chromosomes are normally found in pairs. So in humans, there are 23 pairs. 23 pairs, or 46 chromosomes in total. Sometimes it goes a bit wrong and you end up with extra bits or lacking bits and things like that, and that causes genetic diseases. And every species has a different number of chromosomes, and that's why they can't generally mix up. Okay, you can't interbreed. Be quite interesting, really, but no, you can't interbreed.